I can't believe that racist Mario tried to ground my friend Mario for ungrounding my friend Twilight Sparkle. What should I do? I know. I am going to make a grounded video out of racist Mario. I am going to get my laptop. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Now that I am done with the video, let's take a look at it. Racist Mario. How dare you ground Thomas the Tank Engine? You know that he is a really useful engine.
That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room right now.
Yes. I finally made a grounded video out of racist Mario. Now I am going to post it to YouTube. Okay. Now that the video is posted, let's check the likes and dislikes. Wow. Everyone really likes my video. There are 52,000 likes and 0 dislikes. And there's another comment. It's from FireLuigi29, the maker guy. He said that he really likes my video. Also, he tells me to tell that to Sir Topham Hatt. I am going to show it to him right now. Sir, I want to show you something.
What is it, Thomas?
I made a grounded video out of racist Mario.
Wow, Thomas, thank you for making a grounded video out of racist Mario. You are royally useful and you are grounded for life. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Sir Topham Hatt. You are the best.